Welcome, YouTube friends. We're so glad you're here. I am thrilled to share with you an exciting journey I embarked on recently. I posed a challenge to myself. Could I establish a new stream of passive income within a mere 6 months? The plan was to launch a new Etsy store utilizing basic clip art from Canva and selling it on print-on-demand products. Many voiced their skepticism, saying, "Sophia, it's not feasible." They argued that the Etsy marketplace is now too crowded for a new store to be profitable. Undeterred, I decided to put their doubts to the test. 6 months ago, I initiated my new venture on Etsy. Initially, the store was generating approximately $200 per week. However, as time passed, the sales began to escalate. Today, I am delighted to report that the store is generating a passive income of $3,000 to $4,000 per week. The products I offer in my store are remarkably straightforward. I employ the cross-idea formula to select basic clip art from Canva that has a high potential for sales. These designs are then uploaded onto print-on-demand products and listed for sale on Etsy at a profit. Allow me to guide you through the process. The first step on this journey is selecting a product that resonates with the masses. It's fundamental, yet crucial. To generate revenue, you must offer a product that consumers desire. Let's explore how to identify such a product. We recommend using a print-on-demand platform, such as Printify. Printify offers an extensive range of blank products ready for your unique touch. Simply select a product, upload your custom design, and you're ready to go. Next, list your product on a marketplace like Etsy, setting a competitive price. Each time a customer purchases your product, Printify's dedicated team will print your design onto the product, package it, and dispatch it to the customer. You then retain the profit margin. This process is wonderfully passive, requiring minimal effort once your product is listed on Etsy. To discover profitable products, navigate to Printify's bestsellers page. The products listed here are in high demand, making them excellent choices for your venture. T-shirts, for instance, are the top-selling print-on-demand product ever, making them a fantastic example for this video. Now that we have identified a highly sought-after product, the next step is to utilize the cross-idea formula to discover unique and untapped product ideas. Let's dive into how this can be achieved. Firstly, head over to Etsy and search for a broad term such as funny t-shirts. Etsy's algorithm prioritizes products that have been recently purchased by customers. Your goal is to sift through these and identify a popular product that utilizes simple graphics. Don't fret, popular products are easily identifiable as Etsy clearly indicates their popularity. For instance, consider this t-shirt with simple graphics that has had 37 sales in the past 24 hours. While I personally have a deep affection for animals and follow a predominantly vegan diet, I can appreciate the humor and cleverness of this t-shirt. It employs a double entendre, with the image of the deer carrying a dual meaning and is a fine example of deadpan humor. This is where many aspiring online entrepreneurs falter, leading them to believe that making money online is an impossible task. The mistake they make is simple: they copy. Consider how many people on Etsy have replicated this exact t-shirt. If you're launching a new store on Etsy, duplicating a popular t-shirt is not a wise strategy. Why? Just look at the number of reviews this store has. If given a choice between purchasing a t-shirt from a store with thousands of positive reviews or a store with no reviews, the choice is clear. You would naturally opt for the store with a multitude of positive reviews. So instead of imitating others, I employed the cross-idea formula to conceive a novel product idea that was unique to my store. After identifying a clever idea that worked well with basic clip art, I began exploring other popular niches that piqued my interest, such as animals, to see if anyone had applied this idea to those niches. Interestingly, when we examine funny parrot t-shirts, we find that none of the t-shirts on Etsy are utilizing deadpan double entendres. Now, let's ponder over this. Funny parrot t-shirts are popular among parrot owners, and double entendre t-shirts are equally popular. So, what can we do? We can merge these two ideas to create something innovative. By doing so, I was able to leverage data to create popular, hyper-viral products that stood out despite being a new store. First, you must establish your new store. To initiate this process, you'll need to set up a complimentary Etsy account and a Printify account. Link the two accounts together. The next step involves creating products using Canva's Clip Art. This is a two-step process. First, we'll create our cross-idea image using Clip Art, and then we'll upload that image onto our popular Printify product. For this, we'll be utilizing Canva, a user-friendly drag-and-drop graphic design app. Canva boasts an extensive library of millions of clip art, photos, shapes, backgrounds, textures, and more. You're permitted to commercially use these in designs that you create to print onto products for a profit. Canva offers both a free account and a pro account that costs $13 a month. For this tutorial, I'll be using the pro account. Firstly, let's create a canvas in Canva that matches the printing area of the t-shirt. Then, we'll search for parrot silhouette pictures and elements. Canva has a wide variety of clip art pictures for us to choose from. It's important to note that Canva permits you to print their free clip art pictures onto products that you sell for a profit. However, you must combine it with at least one other visual element to create a new design. For this cross idea, we're adding text to it too. I've added a text box and selected a trendy font from Canva's pre-installed fonts. Now, we need to come up with our double entendre. To help me with this, I used ChatGPT to generate ideas. I asked the ChatGPT, what are some funny and annoying things that parrots do to their owners? One of the responses was that parrots will sing at the crack of dawn, waking their owners up. So, I changed this text to be alarm clock, and I altered the text color too. And voila, just like that, we have our t-shirt. Now let's proceed to the next phase where we save our design as a print-ready file. When it comes to printing images onto products, it's crucial to ensure the highest quality. Here are the export settings I recommend. Navigate to Share, click Download, and adjust the image size to its maximum. Ensure the background is transparent and PNG is selected before saving. This process may take a few moments, so your patience is appreciated. The next step in our journey is to upload your design to Printify and integrate it into your Etsy store. This process is straightforward. Simply select the popular product you wish to sell on Printify, upload your design, and position the image where you'd like it to be printed. Subsequently, you'll need to provide a title for your product, craft a compelling product description, and set a price. Here's a valuable tip. For my new store, my products typically yield a profit margin of 30% to 40%, depending on the product. This impressive profit margin is achieved by utilizing a profit calculator to determine the optimal product price. Printful offers a reliable one. You simply input the price at which you plan to sell your item, the shipping charge, and then set your profit goal. For instance, my goal was to achieve a 30% profit. You then input the price that Printify charges per item and the shipping cost. This allows you to ensure that you're meeting your profit goal even after accounting for Etsy's transaction fees. Now, all that remains is to watch the sales roll in. For me, sales are generated from two primary sources. As of now, the new store has already generated $370, and the day isn't over yet. The majority of these sales come from individuals browsing Etsy, discovering my products, and clicking on them because Etsy recommended them. If you want Etsy to recommend your products, you'll need to optimize your listings. Here's an example of an effective listing. This mug has generated over $200 in the past 24 hours with 11 sales. It features a variety of powerful keywords in the title, like cat, feline, gift, girlfriend, cottagecore, and most importantly, it showcases an exceptional photo. A high-quality photo is crucial as it entices customers to click on your listing when Etsy recommends it. You can obtain stunning photos for print-on-demand products for free on Placeit. Simply upload your picture onto one of their photos, and it will transform it into an impressive product photo for you. They offer a free account with access to free photos that you can use. Another strategy I employ is the use of Etsy ads. While these are optional, they can be highly profitable when utilized correctly. For instance, today I invested $25 and received a return of $142. The concept of Etsy ads is quite straightforward. Once activated, Etsy begins to recommend your products in their search results when users search for similar items. Initially, I set my ad budget to a modest $5 per day, but you can set it as low as $1 per day. I then allowed Etsy to gradually spend $10 per product on ads. After this expenditure, I evaluated the return on investment, ROI, to ensure it was at least 3 times the initial investment. For example, one of my ads had an ROI of 4.57, indicating that for every $1 spent, I received $4.57 in return. This is an exceptional deal, akin to generating free money. And with that, our challenge is complete. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace!